Hi everyone. A very warm welcome to all our fans, our partners, and friends in the media joining us on the live stream today. My name is Shou, and I'm the president of International at Xiaomi. Xiaomi was founded just 10 years ago. Now, in that spirit, we are very excited to introduce a new member of the Mi 10 family to you today. The Mi 10T series. This series will join the Mi 10 as one of the very best flagships for the year. Mi 10T Pro will also feature a massive 108 megapixel sensor that really unlocks your creativity. We give you 6 different long exposure modes for 6 different types of photos. We've added AI Skyscaping 3.0. With this, you can add a variety of different color tones, motion, or even weather and firework effects. We have added 3 super cool ways to change your color themes with cyberpunk, gold vibes, and black ice photo editing modes. With photo clones, just a few clicks, they go from 1 person to 4. Really, it's very easy. With a few positions and clicks, you can get photos like this. So other than photo clones, you can try video clones. This lets you tell some pretty cool stories without leaving your house. Resolution matters. So we've included 8K capabilities in our Mi 10T Pro. You can tap and capture 33 megapixel photos while recording in 8K. Mi 10T Pro allows you to capture more perspectives with 3 new dual video modes. So we've ensured that the Mi 10T Pro features one of the industry's very highest refresh rates. 144 Hz is just smoother and amazingly so. Xiaomi has pioneered a new display technology to adapt to content, matching content and display rates. This technology is called Adaptive Sync. Adaptive Sync gives you more than 8% battery remaining after 6 hours of heavy use. Motion estimation, motion compensation. What this does is that it compensates for low frame rate in videos to make it smoother and for better viewing. We've included an all-new advanced sunlight mode, which tweaks your display settings for maximum visibility under daytime conditions. Mi 10T Pro has adopted an advanced 360-degree light sensor. This intelligently detects light from both the front and the rear to analyze your current conditions. Reading mode 3.0. This is probably most crucial at night, but it's also very useful throughout the day. So I can confidently say that this is one of the very, very best displays on the market this year. We chose the leading Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 to power your phone. Backing all this up is one of the biggest batteries ever in a Xiaomi flagship, 5,000 milliamps. Not only is this a big battery, we are also using an advanced battery technology called middle tap, or MMT for short. This increases charging speed and lifespan. We are also including a 33 watts inbox charger, something that our competitors cut corners on, but we don't do that. This, together with MMT, can juice up a massive battery in about 1 hour. This product is a new GaN charger that can achieve a massive 65 watts charging experience. Our Mi 65 watt fast charger with GaN technology. This is going to be available at just 29.99 euros. Lastly, let's talk about design. First up, my personal favorite, Lunar Silver, Cosmic Black, and the stylish Aurora Blue. And we've extended the creative experience to feel as well, with an advanced X-axis linear motor. This gives our flagship a sophisticated feel when typing and using your phone. Mi 10T Pro comes with antibacterial accessories included. We use a special material for this, silver ions. That's Ag+. On the front, we've also pre-installed an antibacterial screen protector. This saves you from purchasing and installing one yourself. This time, we've taken a big step forward and reduced packaging plastic by about 60%. Mi 10T Pro is built to power your creativity, so it features a 108 megapixel camera. And Mi 10T has nearly all the features of Mi 10T Pro. In fact, only the camera and design colors differ. The Mi 10T will start at just €499, and for more RAM, just €549. And the Mi 10T Pro will start at just, ready? €599. And for double the storage, 8 plus 256 gigabytes at just €649.
Mi 10T Lite is a mid-ranger with specs that actually feel pretty flagship. Like its older brothers, we've also built it to power your creativity with a 64 megapixel quad camera. Now, we've worked very, very hard to make sure that it offers a huge amount of the same creative software that you saw in the Pro. It's going to be available in 3 colors. First off, Atlantic Blue. This is our rose gold beach. Finally, for you minimalists, this is our pearl gray. We've also made sure to use an ultra-smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. This features the same adaptive sync technology that you saw in the older brothers. For power, we've included a 4,820 milliamp hour battery. When you need to juice up, we've included 33-watt fast charging. This is one of the very fastest available in this segment, and we've made sure to include a compatible charger right there in the box for you. But we firmly believe one thing: 5G is for everyone. That's why we're featuring the global debut of a brand new 5G processor, the Snapdragon 750G. Mi 10T Lite will be available at an RRP of just €279. So today, we're going to be offering a flash sale for early buyers at just €249 for double the storage, just €329. So I'm excited to present to you the global debut of Mi Watch. Whether you're training for a run, tracking your daily wellness, or you just want to get notifications in style, you're going to notice that it comes with a large 1.39-inch display. This display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3 and a diamond-like carbon coating for extra protection. It has a vibrant AMOLED display with up to 450 nit brightness. To express yourself, you can choose one of our 6 official bands. You can choose from more than 100 different display styles. Or, to help you power your creativity with new ideas, you can also create your own custom watch faces. So, Mi Watch is one of the world's most stylish, but it's also one of the world's lightest. For reference, that's about the same weight as 6 sheets of that A4 paper that you'll find around your school or office. Mi Watch is also one of the longest lasting smartwatches on the market. Has up to 16 days of battery life. And with 5 ATM water resistance, you really don't have to take it off. Mi Watch has all the essentials, like highly accurate step and movement tracking, and it can even give you a graph showing you a general picture of how you've been performing throughout the week. 17 are precisely tuned professional sports modes for even more accurate tracking and training. But one increasingly important statistic is blood oxygen level. So we've included SpO2 monitoring. This lets you live your best life. Mi Watch comes with a built-in voice assistant, so you can check the weather, set alarms, and control your AIoT devices. It also has a built-in camera shutter mode. Mi Watch supports emojis for all of your notifications. That's Mi Watch. 16 days. That's more than half a month of battery life. It's paper light. It's got a large, bright AMOLED display. It has GPS, blood oxygen, sleep tracking, emojis, and so much more. And of course, it has 117 supported exercise modes. Mi Watch is going to be starting from an RRP of just €99. So, these are the products that we've launched today.
Thank you for joining us today. See you again soon. Stay safe and stay healthy. Bye-bye.